Hi. In this video, I'll show you how to send a client report to your customer. To get started, go to the project where you want to send that report. If you scroll down, you'll find the client report section. Clicking into it shows every client report you've created so far, listed out. From this list, you can edit a report, send it to your customer by email, delete it, view it, or download it, all from the same place. To create a new client report, click Create. You can then choose a date range, a start date and an end date, to cover the period you want the report to reflect. For convenience, there are quick range options as well. Today, this week, this month, or the last 3, 5, 7, or 15 days. Pick whichever range fits, and you're ready to create the report. Once you click Create, the report is generated automatically. You'll see the schedule progress for the project so far, along with task progress and worker-related data. If you'd like to leave any of this out, you can remove it, then save your changes. Scrolling down, you'll also see project inventory details for the selected date range. This includes items received on site, how much has been used, what's been ordered, and the quantities received. As with the other sections, you can edit or remove any of this information and save it. If you scroll back up, you'll find options on the right-hand side to choose what's included in the report. If you don't want to show schedule progress, tasks, worker details, or inventory, you can simply toggle that section off, and the data will be removed from the report. Toggle it back on whenever you want that section visible again. Anything toggled off won't be visible to the customer. You'll also find a nodes section here. You can create a node, for example, marking a stage as completed. And note the project status at that point. You can add as many nodes as you need. If you'd like to attach a file, such as site images, a 3D model, or even a video, click the pin icon, select the related item or task, and upload your file. Once everything looks right, click Create, and your report will be generated. To send the report to your customer, click the Action button, then select Send. From there, you can add CC recipients if needed. And scroll down to preview the draft content that will be sent. Once you're happy with it, go ahead and send the email. Your customer will then be able to view the report from their email, and they can also access it through the customer portal. Once they log in, they'll see their project reports. And can check the current status and progress as of that date. And download the report if they'd like. You can also download the report yourself to share it through WhatsApp or any other channel. And if you ever need to make changes, just click Edit. Update the content, save it, and resend it to your customer. So that's how you create a client report and share your project's status and progress with your customer. You can send it by email, and the customer can reply directly, or log into their portal to view the client report there. Thank you.